Hot pipe summer. The SPE hot pipe kit, the brother to the cold pipe kit, is also easy to install. Though unlike the cold side kit where the boots actually fail, I can't really speak to the performance improvements that this kit offers. Alright, let's get started. I apologize in advance for the video quality, it's kinda hard to film everything. There's a handful of clamps that we need to remove. Let's start on the lower charger cooler side. Next, we'll disconnect the piping from the turbo. The upper pipe is held into place by a locking spring. Here you can see with the piping removed how this spring actually works. As you rotate the spring in the groove, it'll eventually snap into place. This keeps the piping from pulling out. To remove the spring, insert a screwdriver and twist slightly. This will raise the spring and allow you to pull everything out in one piece. Once everything has been loosened, you should be able to pull the pipe out with a slight tug. If the piping boot is stuck on the charger cooler side, you may need to insert a small flathead to break the seal that may have developed over time. Transfer the existing lock ring to the new turbo adapter. Don't snap the spring into place just yet, because we still need to insert the adapter onto the turbo. Apply a thin coat of dielectric grease or oil to the O-ring, and insert the O-ring into the turbo adapter. Press the adapter onto the turbo until it seats in place, then rotate the lock ring until it snaps into place. Verify the adapter is secure by giving it a tug. You have two silicone adapters. Grab the straight piece and install it onto the turbo adapter. Place one of your clamps loosely over the adapter, note the position of the screw head. Once everything has been installed, we'll tighten down all the clamps. Grab the remaining coupler and place another clamp on the charger cooler side. Install the coupler on the charger cooler. Ensure the coupler is fully seated on the charger cooler inlet. You'll also want to pay attention to the clamp. It should sit on the inside of the inlet piping's lip. This keeps it from blowing off under pressure. Installing the hard pipe is probably the trickiest part of this entire endeavor. I start from the turbo side and work to the charger cooler side. You're going to need to wiggle things around to get everything to fit. Make sure you've placed the final clamp either on the piping or on the coupler side. Check for clearances before you tighten down all the clamps. You'll notice here that I had to rotate my piping so it didn't contact my coolant temperature sensor. Tighten down all your clamps, drive your truck for a few days, and go back and retighten. That's it. See you next time.